What are you going to open? Food? I hood?
Come and fly away with me. 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 Come and fly away with me.
Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm going to show you our car. So we got a new car since our our current car is very outdated and old-fashioned, and it doesn't suit in my husband's job. So he decided to buy a new car, and he requested to film our current car just in case we give up this one. At first, I really didn't agree in buying this car because I don't like spending more money because we are running out of budget, and this is really like trying time. So it's hard to earn money. So if we just spend and spend, then everything will be gone. So yeah, but he really needed this car for his job, so whatever.
Hey, what's up guys? This is our first generation Murano, Nissan Murano. I'm gonna introduce my sweet baby. So first, this is US brand grill. Very shiny, right? US brand, of course not Japanese brand. Good man. Then this one, 20 inches. The tire is 265/45, 20 inches. Work Japanese brand wheel. This is my love also. And come on, man. Look at the exhaust system. This is Nismo. You know Nismo? Nissan official racing team. Nismo exhaust system. This is very nice. It's quiet but very good. And this one is also US car. So now I'm gonna open food.
What are you going to open? Food? A hood?
Ta-da! V6 3500cc big engine. Of course, 4-wheel drive. So this is really SUV, not like fake SUV nowadays. Very powerful engine. Look at this.
Wow, it's too hot.
It's big, right?
Yeah.
This is my customized US style.
Okay.
Look at the headlight.
It's so bright.
Can you see?
Yeah, the orange one.
This is my style, my customized US style. I like orange. No, I don't like white LED customized.
Okay. Here we have the basics of the car: the speedometer, the wiper, of course the steering wheel, the shifter, and custom-made DVD player, control panel, monitor, and Bose sound speaker system. And we also have the open roof and this is its control. So this is still very good condition, but it's not good for business anymore because it's so outdated. So that's why we bought a new car, and this car is very high fuel consumer. It consumes like 1 liter for every 6 kilometers, which is really too much. And look at that, it's still beautiful, very good condition. But we need to give up this car, I think. Very sad.
So that's it. This is my
Very pretty car.
body.
Yeah, and very
Yes.
pretty.
We have a lot of memories, but actually, I already bought new car, so almost bye bye my car. I'm gonna.
If you like this video, then please give a thumbs up, subscribe, and see you next time. Bye bye.